The 2025 Ford Bronco stands tall as a symbol of rugged capability blended with modern sophistication. In this stunning red color, the Bronco makes an instant impression, especially when set against the clean and minimalist white backdrop of a high-end showroom. Its bold front grille, signature LED headlights, and sculpted hood emphasize its off-road heritage while giving off a premium, urban-ready vibe. From the front, the Bronco's aggressive stance and elevated ground clearance command attention. The redesigned bumper and grille are not just about aesthetics, they're functional too, allowing improved airflow and durability during off-road adventures. The front view gives a clear look at the Bronco's personality, powerful, confident, and ready for action. Moving to the back, the 2025 model keeps the iconic tailgate-mounted spare tire, paying homage to classic Bronco design. The rear LED tail lights and wide bumper are stylish yet rugged, signaling that this SUV is as prepared for city roads as it is for rocky trails. The tailgate opens sideways, providing easy access to the cargo area, perfect for travel, gear, or everyday use. The side profile of the Bronco, especially in this vibrant red, highlights its muscular fenders and high ground clearance. From the right side, the design flows with sharp lines and modern contours that combine utility with aesthetics. The blacked-out wheels and sturdy off-road tires further enhance its commanding presence. From the left, the four-door layout makes it family-friendly without sacrificing its tough persona. Step inside, and you're greeted by a surprisingly refined interior. The dashboard is fitted with a large touchscreen display, updated sync infotainment system, and physical control knobs for intuitive operation. The red and black color accents inside match the vehicle's bold exterior, creating a sporty, unified look. Premium materials cover the seats and panels, offering both durability and comfort. The cabin is designed to be both easy to clean and stylish, perfect for both off-road escapades and daily commutes. Whether you're a weekend explorer or someone who just loves a tough SUV with character, the 2025 Ford Bronco delivers on all fronts. It's a vehicle that blends legacy with innovation, offering drivers a bold statement on the road and beyond. This red Bronco in a sleek white showroom is more than just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle.